Here they are getting him settled for his interview. They brought him food, they brought him a drink, they brought him a blanket. He's kind of smiling. He's like, yeah, give me that food. Let me get started on that. Let's bring in trial attorney Kelly Hyman. Kelly, this is not a case of we don't know what happened to Emily because he did confess. He said he shot her twice in the head. Now, they have argued unsuccessfully that that statement was not given voluntarily and shouldn't be allowed in. The judge overruled that. That's why we're hearing. So I don't think this is a case of who done it, but what do you think about this police interview?
He seems very relaxed. So he's, as you said, he's having food, getting a blanket. They want him to feel as comfortable as possible because of the hopes to get a confession so that they can use someday in court. Usually it's a tactic that you get more bees being sweet and honey rather than being aggressive, good cop, bad cop. But they're playing the part of being very accommodating towards him and hopefully get good information.
Yeah, you're right. And they are doing that. And Kelly, another thing that we know is the defense is saying this is self-defense. And he even says she was acting psychotic and berserk, and then he shot her. That's one of the statements he made. Break down, if you would, for me, and I love having you on because of all the different trial skills and definitions. If he's going to claim self-defense, what does that mean he had to have done in order to have that be a successful defense?
Now, it depends on the state. Every state is a little bit different in regards to their self-defense. But generally speaking, that you are protecting yourself, that you are doing this in order to protect yourself, that someone was harming you, that you felt an imminent fear for your life. And so it was self-defense. You were protecting yourself. And that's why you acted the way that you did. The means have to be justifiable. Now, if that's his defense, it will be interesting to see if he testifies in order to tell the jury his story so that way he can come across as potentially being believable or credible.
That's right. And again, we'll see what he says, and will he take the stand? Self-defense. You often see the defendant take the stand to explain to the jury, this is what happened. Kelly, you're going to stand by. Thank you for that.